Let me show you how you can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Google Pixel 11. So if you want to go to the Fastboot mode, you will need to turn your phone off. So I'm gonna use the power button and the volume up button at the same time. We're gonna press these two buttons at once to open this power menu, and then you want to power off the phone. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down. And once it is completely off, which usually is indicated with the vibration, then you should be able to power it on, but this time, instead of just using the power button, you want to use power and volume down, and you want to hold these two buttons at the same time. So let's give it a try. I'm just gonna press and hold both of these buttons at once. You will feel a vibration, and then here we have the Fastboot mode. Of course, at this point, you can release both of these buttons. And in here, we navigate by using volume buttons. As you can see, I can press either volume button to change the option that appears over here. And once you find whatever you want to use, you can just press the power button to confirm the selected option. If you want to exit the Fastboot mode, what you can do is you can choose the start option, which restarts your phone, and then you are going to go back to the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.